Purple is a powerful colour. It sparks the imagination. It's also calming and relaxing. And bees can see it more easily than they can reds, so it's a really good one for pollinators. Wallflowers are wonderful, but one in particular is amazing. Bowles Mauve flowers from March to November. It's a winning combination of beautiful dark purple flowers and silvery foliage. It does look great when planted with daffodils because as the daffodil leaves fade, you're distracted by the lovely purple spires of the plant. I've got a lot of stone walls in my garden and I need a strong colour like purple to take your eye away from that. They are short-lived perennials, but they're very easy to take cuttings from to get new plants. I thoroughly recommend having this in your garden. Complementing the Erysimum Bowles Mauve, I've planted Allium roseum, which is a beautiful lilac colour. It really likes well-drained soil, otherwise it can rot in winter. If it's happy there, it will multiply and give you lots of beautiful flowers in May. My desert island plant, one that I wouldn't be without, is Lavender Hidcote. It's evergreen with its silvery leaves. It's beautifully scented when it's in flower. The flowers are a magnet to bees. It needs regular pruning after flowering, otherwise it will get quite leggy. Prune it back, but don't prune too far into the silvery growth. When I pruned it, I bundled the pruned stems together, and because of their oily content, they're great for firelighters in the winter. The flower heads I use as potpourri, so I've got that luscious lavender smell throughout the house during the winter. If you want a bit of upright stature in a well-drained border, Liatris is a wonderful plant to choose. It has lush light green leaves, and then on top it has a purple, almost bottle brush type flower. It looks like something you clean your radiators with. It really does flower for quite some time, and it gives you that late summer interest in the border. It also looks quite good with the seed heads, very attractive to bees and other pollinators. My mum loved honesty. She grew it for its dried seed heads, which she put in her dried flower arranging. I love it for its purple flowers and its purple coloured seed pods. These seed pods stay on the plant after it's flowered in early spring, and they look great in a mixed border. They give a real contrast to the other flowers that are there, and it looks very lovely with cotoneus, with its purple leaves and the purple seed heads. It's a real winning combination. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to get more really good tips from Gardener's World magazine.